Fighting for control against loose, sluggish controller joysticks, or missing an apex because your standard thumbstick lacks any tactile resistance is an absolute nightmare that completely breaks your immersion and ruins your lap times. Relying on basic gamepads traps you with numb, arcade-style handling and clunky button mapping that turns a high-speed racing simulation into a frustrating guessing game. The Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals completely rescues you from input lag and flat steering response, functioning as a high-velocity, motorsport-grade simulation workstation engineered to deliver total track dominance and breathtaking automotive realism. Don't let its desk-friendly mounting footprint fool you. This stark black racing setup is packed with professional-grade simulation hardware. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its high-fidelity dual-motor force feedback mechanism. Utilizing advanced helical gearing modeled after real automotive transmissions, it delivers instantaneous, anti-backlash torque straight to your hands, accurately translating every tire slip, weight shift, or change in road terrain with fierce precision. The wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched, premium leather for a luxurious endurance grip feel and features solid stainless steel paddle shifters that snap into gear with high-velocity click feedback, backed by a realistic $900 circ lock-to-lock steering rotation. Engineered to match the high demands of competitive sim racing on Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and PC, the G920 includes a heavy-duty, non-linear floor pedal unit. The progressive brake pedal mimics the pressure-sensitive feel of a real racing brake system, allowing you to trail brake into tight corners with extreme muscle memory accuracy. Built with solid steel components throughout the wheel shaft and pedal arms, it mounts rigidly to your desk or a specialized racing rig via integrated high-strength clamps. It is the ultimate, uncompromised cockpit upgrade for sim racers, virtual truckers, and motorsport enthusiasts who demand flawless response times and unparalleled driving luxury. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're deploying this Logitech G920 to master grueling tracks in Forza Motorsport or to conquer open-world highways in Assetto Corsa. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more sim racing hardware, gaming peripheral reviews, and premium tech breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.